Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Comment allez-vous, madame?
Bonjour. Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Ça va bien, merci.
Comment allez-vous?
Ça va, moi aussi, ça va. Okay, everyone is joining. Okay, then you remember what did we learn in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how to answer Sava.
Oh, pardon?
How to answer Sava.
Yes, we learned greetings, right?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
learn greetings, how to greet each other, and also we learn how to reply to the greetings. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, page number 17 and 18. 17 and 18. First, we learn greetings in French. That is bonjour, bonsoir, comment ça va,
Bienvenue.
comment allez-vous, all these.
Bienvenue.
And after that, we learn how to reply to those greetings. If someone is asking you, how are you, comment ça va or ça va, how will you reply? Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Okay, ça va bien, merci. That's right. Another one, if some friend is asking you, ça va?
Ça va.
Yes.
Ça va
If
or
some,
ça va
if
mal?
one of your friend is asking you, ça va? So you can reply, ça va or ça va bien. Even, yeah. So all these things you can reply. And what will you say if you are not well?
Ça va, ma'am.
Well, you are not well. Pas mal. Oui. If you are not feeling well, what will you say? Pas mal. D'accord. Now, and if you are not feeling too great and not feeling too bad, like okay. So what will you say?
Comme ci, comme ça.
Comme ci, comme ça. Yes. So all these things you revise very good. And one thing I want to say that in the next week you will have a reading test. Okay, everyone. Next
Oui,
week
madame.
you will have a reading test. You can go through pages. You can practice and revise page numbers. If you what, please make a note of this. Obviously, I will be sharing that portions in the WhatsApp group. But still, those who want to make a note now, they cannot.
Ma'am, can you put it in the WhatsApp?
Yes, sure. So for the reading test, you will have the page numbers 17, 19, and 17, then 19, 18. Désolé-moi. 17.
Ma'am, is it
Okay.
17, 18, 19, 20?
No. I will tell you again. Page number 17, then 19, 20, 21, 22. So that means page number 18 won't be there for the reading test. Page number? Pardon? Yeah, sure. So it's page number 17. Page number 17. Then 19, 20, 21, and 22.
Noted.
Okay, and don't have to worry. I will be sharing in the WhatsApp group. And I can see many of your cameras are off. Half of the cameras are off.
Ma'am, I cannot
attendance
on
or
my
not?
video. Ma'am, I cannot on my video because there is
Anandesh,
some
yes,
problem
Anandesh, I
with me.
noted. Okay, good. And I noted that.
Ma'am, my camera will be automatically turning off. Yes, ma'am. My camera will be automatically
If
turning
it is automatically going off, then I will remind you. That time you on it again.
off. Ma'am.
Anandesh gave me the reason. Anandan, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, can I leave and rejoin?
Yeah, if you want, you can do that. Anandan, keep your camera on.
Ma'am, can I leave and rejoin also?
Sure, you can. Excuse me, Mohammed. Oui, Shreya, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Can we mark the examples with our pencil in our textbook?
Yes, only using your pencil.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, greetings and reply to the greetings we learned. And now today we are going to learn how to say goodbye. How can we say goodbye in French? We are going to see today. That is in page number 18. For now, we don't want to open. I will be sharing my screen. Catherine, Shiv Gayatri, keep your cameras on. Page number 18, it is there, but I am sharing the screen. We learned already these things, reply to the greetings. We already learned. And today we are going to see how to say goodbye. One you already know. One we already learned in all the French classes. After once we end the class, what will you say to say goodbye? Au revoir. Yes, that's the first one. That's the first one. Simply just to say goodbye. That is au revoir. Au revoir. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Au revoir. And the meaning is simply goodbye. Yes, a simple goodbye. Au revoir. Ensuite, à bientôt. À bientôt. À bientôt. It is not a single word, but when we pronounce it is à bientôt. But don't say a bientôt. No, a bientôt. Give a small pause. A bientôt. A bientôt. Okay, so
Ma'am, we should write this.
No, you don't have to write this. A bientôt. The ending letter T will be.
Issue in camera, ma'am, so I can't on my video.
Who is this?
Angelina Martin, ma'am, so I have an issue on my camera, so I can't on it.
Okay, fine. So, a bientôt, ending letter T will be silent. A bientôt. And you can see on top of O, which accent is there on top of O? Circumflex. Laxo-circumflex is there? Yes. A bientôt. Répétez s'il vous plaît. A bientôt. On top of A, you can see there laxograph. Laxograph is there on top of A. See? Laxograph. Désolé moi. Laxograph is there. A bientôt. Ending letter T will be silent. And see the meaning? That is see you soon. See you soon. That means when you are sure that you are going to see that person very soon, then you can say see you soon. Suppose we have class tomorrow. We don't have class tomorrow. 6A French is not there for me. So suppose think that we are going to see tomorrow or in the evening we are going to see. Evening we have one more French class. Then you can use this one. See you soon. Okay. A bientôt. Yes. A bientôt. There are many different greetings. We'll see there. See that. So a bientôt means see you soon. Ensuite, à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Oui, à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. See, listen properly. Listen once again properly. À tout à l'heure. À l'heure together. Okay? À tout à l'heure. It is not à tout à l'heure. It is à tout à l'heure. Yes, à tout à l'heure. Till R here this R we can pronounce. Why? After this R there is one E. So this R we can pronounce here. À tout à l'heure. And you can see there laxograph is there here. Then here also laxograph is there. This is not laxograph. This is apostrophe. Okay. This one is apostrophe. Don't confuse with that is accent. That is not an accent. This is apostrophe there. And this is L apostrophe. L apostrophe. That is there is one grammar part involved in that. That I will be explaining later. When we learn the part, we learn that. Donc, à tout à l'heure. And that means see you very soon. À tout à l'heure means see you very soon. À tout à l'heure means see you very soon. Ensuite, bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Qu'est-ce que c'est bonne nuit? Qu'est-ce que c'est bonne nuit? I mean, listen. Qu'est-ce que c'est bonne nuit? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what? Yes. Yeah. Qu'est-ce que c'est bonne nuit?
Good night.
Good night. Oui. Bonne nuit. Good night. Ending letter T will be silent. Bonnui. Bonnui means good night. Ensuite, Adama. And here what you have to see is M-A-I-N. See, I-N when comes. Pronunciation will be? When, yes. Remember we learned the word Sanj. Sanj means monkey. That time also I explained that. I told you that when you have letters I-N together in French, pronunciation will be ang. Okay? So, Adama. It is not Adamain. The Adamain is wrong. That is how you read in English, but it is Adama. N will be silent. N will be silent. Adama. And pronunciation is, not pronunciation, meaning is see you tomorrow. If you know that you are going to see that person tomorrow, and especially when you are in the school, evening, when you are leaving, tomorrow also you are going to see that student, right? Your friends you are going to see tomorrow also. So you can just say, Adama.
Excuse me, ma'am, can you say the last two words?
Adama.
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 And before that, good night.
Adama says see you tomorrow. Adama says see you tomorrow. The meaning is see you tomorrow. Donc, répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Au revoir. I am not able to hear everyone's voice. I think only few of you are trying. Wait, Shreya, wait. I will be back to you. Au revoir. Bientôt. A tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. Adama. Ensuite, moi. Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. Adama. Qu'est-ce que c'est, Shreya? Others, can you please mute?
Ma'am,
Vaigari, please mute Vaigari. Who is Shreya?
Ma'am, why are we putting exclamation mark for these goodbyes?
Goodbye. These all are greeting, not greetings, but still, what will we say? Punctuation marks when we greet someone, even there also we will use good evening, good morning. When we say that time also we are using punctuation marks, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, when we say hello, officially when we saying hello, that time also we'll put exclamatory marks.
Oui, madame.
Au revoir. Répétez s'il vous plaît.
Au
revoir.
À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. Adama. Chad, you have any doubt here? Qu'est-ce que c'est?
For reading.
For reading? Okay, for that you raised your hand. Okay, fine. Okay, so I hope everyone got the pronunciation. Is there anyone who didn't get the pronunciations properly? Shall I repeat again?
Yes, oui, madame.
Yes, I could hear yes from there. So yes, I am going to repeat and you can follow me. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. Adama. This time I read these words slowly. Now I am going to increase the speed a little bit. Okay, try to pronounce that way itself. Au revoir. Bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. Yes. So when you greet this bonjour, bonsoir, and everything, try to like remember more, show some cuteness, and others will also be happy with that. When someone is morning itself, someone is greeting you bonjour, so that will be very pleasant, and they will be happy. Okay. The same way, when you are in the night, you are going to end the conversation, and you are separating. You are saying bye. You can say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Yes. Okay then. Adema. Adema.
Adama.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, now those who are ready to read, got the pronunciations properly and ready to read, can click on the hand raise symbol. Others, you can practice. And once you are ready, or once your practice is done and you are ready to read, then that time you can click. And meanwhile,
the third one.
third one is Atu Taler. Yes, Atu Taler. Oui, Shreya, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, do we have to read as fast as we can, like you said now?
Shreya, I didn't hear you properly.
Ma'am, do we have to say it fast, like you said now? Means au revoir.
No. You just I want to know whether you got the pronunciations properly, so you just read it.
Ma'am, can you tell the fourth one?
Fourth one is bonne nuit.
Ma'am, can you tell the last one?
Last one, Adama. Okay, so you don't have to. One more time, I will be reading the pronunciation. Listen, everyone, and follow me. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
À bientôt.
À
bientôt.
À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Demain. D'accord. Now, you can take your rough books, everyone. All of you take your rough books and you can write and study. Meanwhile, so when one student is reading, I don't want you to just watch it and waste the time. Take your rough book and write and study these, how to say goodbye. You write and study for 5 times along with the meaning. Don't just write and study the French words. Then you will not be able to know what is the meaning. So write and study along with the meaning, everyone. Okay. Now, Shreya, you can unmute and read.
Au revoir.
À
bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain.
Oui. Très bien, Shreya. Ensuite, Richard.
À bientôt.
Oui.
À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit.
Yes, continue, dear.
À demain.
À demain.
À demain.
Oui. Très bien. Ensuite, Gautam.
Au revoir. À bientôt. Et tout à l'heure.
Not et tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure.
Et tout à l'heure.
No, dear, it's not a sound coming there. A sound. À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
Oui.
Bonne nuit. À demain.
Oui, très bien. Ensuite, Agne.
Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain.
Très bien, Agne. Ensuite, Ammu.
Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À
You read the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
One more time.
À demain.
À demain. D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, Manu.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Oui. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Ma'am, in the Atut Ale, the capital letter A is having laxograph. So why aren't you pronouncing A?
Capital letter A is not, is having laxograph. So when laxograph will come along with letter A, pronunciation is not changing.
Okay,
With the sound of alphabet A with A itself.
okay, ma'am.
Oui. D'accord. Read.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutaler Bonui Adema.
Très bien, Manu. Ensuite, Ayman.
Oruva Abiyanto Atut Aler Bonui Adama.
Très bien, Ayman. Ensuite, Anandesh.
Yes, ma'am. Oruva Abiyanto Atutaler Bonui Adama.
I hope. See, keep your cameras on.
Ma'am,
Hello,
how many
why you
times
are
should
offing
we-
your camera?
Ma'am, how many times should we write a study?
5 times. John
Okay.
Sebi, keep your camera on. Bhuvana, Catherine, Angelina. Okay, Angelina told me. Yes. Blesswin. Yes, Blesswin. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have a problem with my camera.
Okay, now those who finish reading can remove that hand raise symbol from the screen. Rudra.
Oui, madame. Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien, Rudra. Ensuite, Brightlin.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien. Ensuite, Cheryl.
D'accord, madame. Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien, Cheryl. Ensuite, Chinmay.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutaler Bonui Adama.
Très bien, Chinmay. Ensuite, Brazil.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, oui.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien. Ensuite, Sri Shanga.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien. Ensuite, Shiva Gayatri.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien. Ensuite, Cheryl, did you read here? Cheryl?
Oui, madame.
D'accord. Then you can remove that hand raise symbol. Brightlin. Yeah. Ensuite, Adina Desnayer.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien. Alok.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien. Rizine.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien, Rizine. Ensuite, Dia.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adama.
Très bien, Dia. Ambrose.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutale Bonui Adaman.
Adama. N will be silent.
Adama.
Oui. Ensuite, Vaikhari.
Oruva Abiyanto Atutaler Bonui Adama.
Très bien. Ensuite, Isha.
Au revoir, à bientôt, à tout à l'heure, bonne nuit, à demain.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, Tanya.
Yes, ma'am. Au revoir.
How will you say yes, ma'am, in French, Tanya?
Oui, ma'am.
D'accord, d'accord. Read.
Au revoir. À bientôt.
Ensuite, à tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. À demain.
À demain. D'accord. Tanya, I will ask you to read again. So practice. Ensuite, Vishnu.
Yes, ma'am. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, Advika.
Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, Anandan. Anandan. Anandan, I think not there. John Sebi.
Yes, ma'am. Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit.
À demain.
Demain.
D'accord. Ensuite, Anandan. Anandan, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, read.
À tout à l'heure.
First one. Au revoir.
Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
Not atul. Atut. À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
No. À tout à l'heure.
À tout à l'heure.
Then.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit. À demain.
D'accord. And then what you have to do is I will be sharing the audio clip in your WhatsApp group. Will you practice with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you doing with the other previous clips which I sent? Did you practice with that?
Yes.
D'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, Ambrose. Did you read Ambrose?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I read it.
D'accord. Ensuite, Bhuvana Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui, read.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. This one you don't know, but don't make mistake in this one because we are in the end of the class. In everyday French class, we are using this one at the end. Au revoir. Right?
Au revoir. Yes.
Oui, read.
Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain.
Très bien, Ria. Ensuite, Agne, did you read Agne? Oui, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Oui, madame.
Ma'am, can you pronounce the third one?
Third one, à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure.
Ma'am, can you read it once more, ma'am?
À tout à l'heure.
No, ma'am, full.
From the beginning, full, sure. Au revoir. À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. Demain. Oui. Agne, did you read?
Oui, madame.
D'accord. Ensuite, Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Au
I didn't
revoir.
read.
Oui,
Au
Pavitra
revoir.
continue.
À bientôt. À tout à l'heure. Bonne nuit. À demain.
Très bien, Pavitra. Ensuite, Sony. Sony Jose, joined in the name Sony Jose. Yeah, read.
Urua.
Abbianto, not A. Abbianto. Not again. Don't say A there. Abbianto. Then after that, attu taler. Not A sound.
Bonui.
Au revoir.
No, my last one. I can.
There's only more. Last one is Adama.
Adama.
Read again.
Urua. Abbiato.
Not A. What I told you. You are reading. Right.
Abbiato. Atto.
Attu taler.
Tutale. Bun nui. Adama.
Dako. On with Angelina Martin.
Ma'am, I cannot join.
Yes, ma'am.
I think so from 10 minutes. Here there was a power failure and network was gone.
Fine. Okay. Angelina Martin.
Yes, ma'am. Arva.
Not A. O. Orva.
Abbianto. Attu tale. Bunnui. Adama.
Dako. Trebia. Now I'm going to take the attendance, everyone. Respond in French itself. Adna Desnayer presso. Agnei presso. Alim absent. Adil Shafi absent.
Ma'am, he
Advika.
told that he was absent for 2 days.
Dako. Advika.
Present, madam.
Presso. Alok presso. Ambrose presso. Ammu presso. Amna Fatima.
So, madam.
Abso. Anantesh.
Presso, madam.
Presso. Anandan presso. Angelina presso. Angelina Martin.
Angelina present, ma'am.
Angelina Martin.
Ma'am, Angelina Martin presso.
Ma'am, Gaudam finished.
Anha Fatima.
Abso, madam.
Abso. Ayman presso. Bhuvana Lakshmi presso. Blesswin.
Presso, madam.
Brightlin presso. Catherine Maria.
Abso, madam.
Abso. Chinmay presso. Dia presso. Isha presso. Gaudam presso. John Sebi presso. Neha.
Abso, madam.
So, Pavitra. Presso. Pravin. P. Joshi. Pravin.
Abso, madam.
Abso. Brazil.
Presso, ma'am.
Richard.
Presso, madam.
Rizine.
Presso, madam.
Rohit.
Abso, madam.
Rudra presso. Cheryl presso. Shiva Gayatri presso. Shreya presso. Sri Shankar presso. Tania presso. Manu presso. Vinayak.
Abso, madam.
Abso. Vishnu presso. Vaikhari.
Presso, madam.
Presso. Dako. So the names of absentees are Alim, Adil, Amna, on with Anha Fatima, Catherine Maria, Neha, Pravin, Rohit, on with Vinayak. Okay. So everyone read?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We Shreya, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ensuite means next. Okay. Then many meanings are there. According to the sentence, the meaning will be next or then. Shreya, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Have you shared the screen? I can see this.
You are not able to see. Actually, it is shared.
Oh.
You, I think you joined again, no? That's why, because of that. So one more time, let's just quickly go through the pronunciations of these words. Repeat after me, on everyone. Au revoir. Abbianto. Attu taler. Bunnui. Adama.
Adama.
And everyone, please do practice for the reading test. Okay?
Okay, madam. Okay, ma'am.
In the French period itself, you will have your reading test. In the French period itself, reading test will be taken.
Oui,
D'accord?
madame.
Okay, everyone. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Bye.
Bento.
Au revoir.
Madame.